Hi, it's me, CEO Baby, the real boss of AI Leader Edge. They pretend they're in charge, but let's be honest, I'm the face, the brand, the actual vision. They begged me, again, please, CEO Baby, teach the adults about Runway ML. So I canceled my snack break. You're welcome. Let me guess. You're still filming videos in your kitchen, editing frame by frame like it's 2004? Papa Pa! Sweetie, no. Runway también lets you type a prompt, and boom, Hollywood. You want a dog doing ballet in space? Done. Want a fake Netflix trailer about your quarter-life crisis? Also done. No cameras, no crew. Just you and a prompt. And it looks like it cost $100,000. It's giving genius, which obviously is why I use it. Meanwhile, you're over there trimming clips like you're editing your cousin's wedding. Runway ML does the heavy lifting. Visual effects, transitions, drama, chaos. All without needing to talk to a single freelancer. And yeah, you found it because of me. AI Leader Edge catalogs 3,500 plus tools, but they still need a baby to tell them which ones matter. So stop editing like it's 1999. Type a sentence, make a film, and try to keep up. Ciao, nap time?